Today we're going to be doing an oil change on my 2019 Subaru STI. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a Subaru oil filter. You can see the part number there. Normally you want to use Subaru oil, but I have some Mobil 1 here left over from my RSX, so we're going to go ahead and use that. I already got the car up in the air. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so we got our oil drain plug here, and in order to get to the actual oil filter itself, you have to get rid of the plastic. So we got bolts all over here. You got them in the front, on the sides. You got some clips on the sides. Over here we got one. Looks like we're missing one here already. This is a used car. So yeah, so I'll do that and we'll get back to it. Alright, so we took all the bolts off and the clips off, so the plastic should be coming off now, which I think it already did. At this point I'm the only one holding it up. So yeah, hold on, is there another one? Oh yeah, so we got another one over here. That's actually, so you take that one off, and the plastic comes off, revealing the oil filter and the oil drain plug. So yeah, pretty simple. After this, you're just going to remove this, empty this out, top it off with more, and yeah, we'll do that right now. Alright, so these are the clips and bolts that were holding up the plastic. You can either use a Phillips screwdriver to get it out. Personally, I didn't do it that way. That's I just got a 12mm, fits right around it, and it's a little easier. You avoid stripping the screw. So yeah, on to draining the oil on the car. Okay, so you want to get the lug nut loose, have a container ready, because the oil is going to be spilling out. Depending on when you use the car, when you last use the car, the oil may or may be hot. So yeah, be a little careful when using that. So that got a little messy. Alright, it's been draining for a couple minutes already. Looks like it's come to a stop. Quick wipe. And you insert it back in. Wipe around it. You don't want to leave a mess. It is your car after all. Now we're moving on to the oil filter. Alright, looks like it's not coming off by hand. so we had to go get our oil filter removing tool, and okay, it's spinning now. Let's try with the hand. Still a little slippery from the oil. Be a little careful. Oil might start spewing all over the place. Just let it drain. We're trying to make this job as clean as possible. Alright, looks like it's drained. There you go. And that is how you remove an oil filter. So again, you just want to let it drain, and while it drains, we'll work on prepping the oil filter to putting it in, because there is a couple steps that you need to do. Alright, so we have our oil filter prepped and ready to install. We lubricated the O-ring, we added some of the new oil into the oil filter itself, and now we're going to be installing it. What you want to do is you want to do hand tight. You don't want to force it in, because then you're going to be struggling when it's time to take it out. Alright, so now we've drained the oil, and now we're onto the hood. This is where you will be filling in with your new oil, and this is how you can check your level and how much oil you need to add or remove. So now I'll do that. Alright, so we added our oil. Now it's time to check. I already looked at it. It looks good. Let me see. You'll see two dots. You need to have your oil level in between those, so you see where it stops. Mine is a little on the higher side, but that's fine. It's still in between the two levels. And that is how you change your oil on a Subaru STI. So now you just put the plastic back underneath the car, and you do everything in reverse. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learned on how to work on your car. Yeah, if you like the video, if it helps you out in any way, please give the video a like, subscribe to my channel. You'll see me work on my Subaru STI, and we will be rebuilding my Acura RSX. Alright, thanks for watching.